make your own application yourself. It's going to do the demo. Metronet. Embed Facebook posts. No need to muck around installing the Facebook application. It uses Embed. Does people here not know what Embed is? Yeah, one person doesn't know what Embed. Probably more. Putting their hands up. Flip back to this. Yeah, that's why I came back here. So here's the embed code. So you can either copy and paste that. So if you have Embed on, then you can just grab the URL for this page, just with that straight URL inside the post. WordPress will see that it's a URL which is from youtube.com, and it automatically adds in all of this embed code around the URL for you automatically. Any good website will provide an Embed facility so that when you try and embed something, you can write the HTML from that website automatically via the Embed protocol. Facebook hasn't done this, so I had to write my own Embed handler and add the HTML element for it myself. So now that's why when I grabbed the URL for the post, that's all I needed. I didn't need to add the HTML tags around the outside. That's the end of the demo. Does anybody have any questions or? Yeah.
Can I use this for personal profile? Or any?
Yeah. That was a post from my personal profile.
And today or?
Demo.
Today or I need a special account?
No. Just need to go and install the plugin and it should work.
Awesome.
It's kind of weird because Facebook has actually said that it's only available to select partners. But really what that means is the little button that says embed post, that's available to select partners, but you don't need it. So I'm not really sure why.
What kind of settings do you have to have on Facebook for it to be public like that?
For that example I did, I have all of my stuff automatically set to be only viewable by friends by default. So for that demo I had to go in there and set it to public.
Oh.
It has to be completely public, or I won't show you. If it's set to anything but public, it just gives a little message saying this post has either been removed or it's been set to private.
So this is released to the repository then, or?
Yeah.
And the name of it is?
Metronet.
Facebook Embed.
Metronet Facebook Embed.
Or
Metronet
Embed for Facebook. I don't remember.
Something like that, okay.
Search for Metronet and you will find it.
Metronet
Okay.
Embed Facebook.
Great.
Facebook posts.
Great.
What do you think is the overall usefulness of this? Like not your plugin, of course, but like.
Oh, the embedding Facebook posts.
Yeah.
I think for some situations it would be useful. The advantage of doing this is that you automatically get, you can see who liked the post, you can see the interaction, because you can obviously put up an image of the Facebook post, but you'll miss out all the information about who liked it, who commented on it, and so forth. Whereas by embedding it, you can see all that information, it's updated in real time. So if you want that functionality,
And you-
best I'll use it myself.
You can actually interact with the post, right?
Yeah.
I think it's useful if you attach your boxes.
automatically use Twitter, like to reference tweets, and we have to include the source. So I think it could be useful for the same reasons as well, like tweets or
Yeah.
sites.
Although a lot of the time when it comes to embedding tweets, I tend to embed the image of the tweet because it loads faster. I know that somebody's not going to, like the tweet's not going to change at a later date. Yeah.
I was using one of the free themes, and it would send the feed to Facebook from my blog,
Yep.
my WordPress. And now I changed to a different theme. And so I'm,
The theme sent it. The theme was sending it to Facebook.
yes, it was like a widget within that theme.
Okay.
So some of the themes have different widgets available for each theme, is basically what I'm wondering, because now I changed my theme to a different look and a different layout. And I'm afraid that I will not have that widget available with this theme. So if I want to keep this theme, could I use your plugin with that?
Well, this isn't sending posts to Facebook. It's more doing the opposite. It's taking it
It's
from Facebook and
feeding it to your,
It's going the opposite way.
so this would be in addition to the
Yeah.
widget that's on.
I don't think that's a very good idea for somebody to put that functionality into a theme either, because then you get the problem you just described. It's something I would have put into a plugin so when you change themes.
Yeah, because every time you change themes, you have to go and reassign all of your widgets.
I have the same thing. I have my personal blog feed feeding into Facebook, but I don't use any application on WordPress for it. I use a Facebook application to pull it in from the WordPress RSS feed.
No, because I'm just really new at this, and what I'm realizing is that when people comment on the Facebook link, it doesn't feed back to my WordPress.
Yeah, I'm finding that's annoying as well.
Yeah. So you have like two different stats, one going to Facebook. And with yours, will that relate back to the WordPress
No, if you comment because it's just an embedded Facebook post on your blog, so anything you do to the Facebook embedded post only happens to Facebook.
Okay.
But of course it's pulling it from Facebook, so like if you click like on the embedded post, you'll see it in both WordPress and in Facebook.
Oh,
That
okay,
makes
so I
sense.
didn't know that. I thought it was just registered in Facebook, but not in.
Because it's literally, it's just like a window to Facebook. It's
Okay.
like a live, how to describe that? Like a live,
It's basically Facebook.
yeah, it's embedded in Facebook.
But you're talking about feeding your articles to Facebook automatically, right? Yeah, you can have a bunch of plugins that's really good to do that. So
Well-
it's not hard to,
Yeah, because some of the things come like that,
yeah.
and then some don't.
Yeah, we can recommend some plugins after
Okay.
that's easy to use and just automatically does it.
That'd be great.
This one, yeah.
Is it possible to configure WordPress so that it uses my Facebook plugin instead of yours?
Which Facebook plugin?
You said that you had to connect it to Facebook developer.
Oh,
Oh, Facebook application.
oh, I see, you want to connect
Oh, yeah,
your
Facebook
Facebook
applications.
application ID. You could do. That sort of defeats the purpose of the plugin, though. Because the purpose of the plugin is so that you don't need to use your own ID. But you could easily do that. You just change the ID which is stored inside the plugin. You have to edit the plugin file, but that's easily doable. Yeah.
Could I remove the upper part and just use the like and the comment functionality?
No, you can only grab the whole thing.
So if
They
I
don't provide a lot of control.
so if I add it on my blog post, which I have the same, and it duplicates the content.
Yeah. I mean, you
Kinda.
can add like buttons to your page.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
kind of a separate thing when you do that. In case anybody's interested, this is a new 2014 theme, just coming in WordPress 3.8, I think. Anybody hasn't seen it before? Little preview.
Can you put this into widget too, or sidebar widget, for instance, as we see in other Facebook?
Oh, that's an interesting idea. Though. I hadn't thought of that because most widget areas are too small. That might be useful, actually. Okay, maybe I should.
Is it fixed width? The output?
Um,
Probably 100%.
That's an interesting I need to look it up.
Yeah, it's like, how does it work on mobile?
It doesn't do very well at all.
Oh, okay. It's like
Not
just
really
the
doesn't
every
work.
other high pressure.
None of that Facebook stuff works on mobile.
How about something when you hover over the mouse and it widens out or something like that?
Yeah, on the side you could pull it out of the.
All right, so you have the regular sidebar size, and you hover over the mouse, and suddenly you have wider area.
But that's you can do it iframe, so you can you can
I
do
think the problem is no matter what you did with this, mobile device is always going to be zoomed out.
Yep.
Just because it's a fixed width. I don't think there's any way around it. Unless Facebook makes the embedded posts responsive.
Hmm.